If your gym looks like a battlefield, you're a warrior. Suit up and let's charge ahead. This is your moment. The walls are black, the hoodies are black, the focus is sharp. No distractions, just pure determination. You've got that fire inside you. Embrace the grind, feel the burn, and chase those gains. When the lights go out, the real work begins. Strength isn't just physical, it's mental. Push through the pain, break those barriers, and become unstoppable. You're not just working out, you're sculpting your future. Every rep, every set, every drop of sweat, it all adds up. This is your blackout zone, where limits shatter and champions rise. Don't just show up, show out. Dig deep, stand tall, and let your actions speak louder than words. Remember, success is earned in the shadows. So are you ready to black out and power up? Because this is your time. Now get in there and make it count.